June 17, 10:30. I've decided, well, not decided, I'm getting this ready for Jerry. So I'm going to transfer all of these fuses into this fuse box. It's rated IP62. So what is IP? I is ingress, P is protection. So ingress protection 62. What does that mean? It's related to water and dust. So the higher the rating, like for example 6 and 2, those has significance. So I forgot all about them, but I know that it's water and dust. So it doesn't mean that you can submerge it. It means that when it rains, it's protected from water and also from dust. So I'm just gonna transfer this equipment and rewire it, and then when Jerry comes here in September, I'll simply disassemble this and give it to him. So it's all pre-connected to the inverter and things like that. So it's just plug and play, hopefully for Jerry. Okay, I'm done wiring it up. So I have the solar, I have the battery, I have the AC input, and I have the AC output. So I'm just gonna power up the house again. So basically right now I'm I have the input, grid 220 input into the inverter, and that's the output going into the house. So this would power up the house, battery, solar. So this is one of the things I was mentioning in the zero electric bill. So if you have 9 of these batteries and you have 14 panels, you can set the battery, solar. You can switch the different parameters so that your grid cost could be like 1,000, 2,500. Obviously, there are consequences, pros and cons to this thing. Anyway, when Jerry comes here in September, I'm just gonna unplug this and already pre-wired, and he could do whatever he wants up there in the mountain of Solano. So thanks for watching.